Welcome back to another video of Master Math with Ade. So we're going to solve the following logarithmic equation by using basic log rules. So let's get into today's
Master Math with Ade
video. So we have the following: log 5 of x plus 4 minus 1 is equal to log 5. So log 5 of x. So the first thing we have to note when solving logs which are structured in the following way, we have to note log 5 of x plus 4 and log 5 of x have the same bases. Therefore, we need to connect them together and make them a single log. So what we're going to do, our first step is to bring this over here, and we're going to take this one to the other side. So it's now going to be just like a simple mathematical equation. We're going to take this side, and then it will be this minus that is equal to positive 1. So what I've done is I have brought this side, and then we'll focus on the one later. So I want to make this into a single log. So we have log 5 of x plus 4 minus log 5 of x. So making this into a single log, we have to note that in logarithmic terms or anything dealing with logs, when we have a minus, we're going to talk about division. So therefore, since these two logs with the same base are subtracting each other, it's going to become a single log in this manner. So it will be log 5 of, now it will be this divided by this, so x plus 4 over x. So that's our single log. Because we're saying minus, so therefore these two will divide each other. If this was a plus, on the other hand, it would have been this times this. It would have been x plus 4 times x. So in this case, we are subtracting. So now we have log 5 of log 5 of x plus 4 over x is equal to 1. So now we have to convert this logarithmic expression into an exponential expression. So I talked about exponentials in one of my videos. You can check that one out. So now, to convert this into exponentials, you have to note the following fact, which is this. So we have to note that when converting logs into exponentials, we have to know that the following expression, which is log a of b, is equal to c. When converting it into an exponential, it will be the bottom part to the power of this is equal to the top part, which is a to the power of c is equal to b. So converting this back into a log, we're going to say log a of b is equal to c. So now let's get back into what we were solving. Therefore, solving this is going to be simply 5 to the power of 1 is equal to x plus 4 over x. We solve this using our basic algebra. This is 5 to the power of 1, which is 5. So 5 times x, that's 5x. So I can solve that. It will be 5x is equal to 1 times the top part is x plus 4. So 5x is equal to x plus 4, which is, so it is 5x is equal to x plus 4. That's going to be 5x minus x is equal to 4, which is 4x is equal to 4. And therefore, our value of x is equal to 1. So that's how you solve the following exponential function. If you need more clarification or you need more videos, you can make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment for any questions or anything related to the topic. So continue mastering math with Ade. Bye for now.